Nortel's products, especially in their most profitable division, their wireless division, are more commodity type products. And these are products that carriers or telecommunications service providers can kind of put off spending on. So in this tough environment, these telecommunications service providers have been cutting their CapEx budgets. And the first equipment that they stop spending on would be Nortel's equipment. So, a month ago, the company was still saying that they would come out with low single-digit revenue growth this year. But obviously, in the last month, carriers have come back to them and said that they're not going to be spending money on Nortel's equipment. And now they expect a sales decline this year. The Metro Ethernet business is a fairly attractive business and a relatively high growth business, but it's a business that Nortel has had a really, really hard time making profitable. So it looks as though Nortel is just finally giving up on this business and hoping that a buyer will come and they'll be able to get a half decent price and that the buyer will be able to make this business a profitable business going forward. Nortel is not a dominant player in any one of its businesses. My approach in this environment, if you really want to buy a telecommunications company, would be to either pick one of the service providers where their revenues are relatively stable and growing slightly and their cash flows are very predictable, or go with someone in the equipment manufacturers which is dominant in their industry. So that could include Cisco or Nokia. These are companies that even in tough times are going to generate significant amounts of free cash flow, have massive amounts of cash on their balance sheet, and have absolutely no need to go to the capital markets. So in comparison, Nortel hasn't generated free cash flow, I think, in the history of their business. So in the end, these are the strong companies, Cisco, Nokia, that generate the free cash flow, are going to be able to invest in their business, even in this market downturn, for future growth, whereas Nortel has to sell off its most attractive assets in order to just remain profitable.